use. So you can approach us and buy these spawns to go and use for the production of your straw mushroom. And after you have inoculated the first layer, just along the peripheries, you add a second layer and a third layer follows. And at the final layer, you sprinkle the spawn on the entire surface of the bed and remove your box. Then you have the bed on the ground in a form of a block you have molded. Leave an interval about 3 to 4 inches and set another bed and have a series of beds prepared in that manner. After doing so, then you can go ahead to cover it with polythene sheets after watering it with enough moisture, because within the next 7 days it's not going to be tempered with. After covering it with the polythene sheet, you need to mulch it completely. That is using either straw mats or straws to cover it firmly on the ground and leave it for the next 7 days. During these 7 days, temperatures within the bed are expected to rise between 32 to 35 degrees centigrade. And this allows the mycelium of the mushroom to run through the entire bed. You'll see a whitish mycelium running through. And after this has happened, within the next 1 week, you will come back and remove all these mulch materials and then sustain them onto either fork sticks or blocks, such that you can aerate it and create a space, an environment that relative humidity, ventilation, and other things can go into the system to effect the fruiting of the mycelium. For fruiting to begin, you begin to observe pinheads of the mushroom, which are some tiny, tiny white dots that you normally observe on the bed. And as soon as you start observing this, then you allow enough air and some amount of light to go into the system. And this allows the mushrooms to develop to the stage of maturity. Stage of maturity normally takes just about 36 hours, after which one can harvest the straw mushrooms.
Ghana's Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, Accra, the largest scientific research agency in Ghana and one of the largest in Africa. Established in 1968, the CSIR has a mandate to organize and coordinate scientific research in Ghana. This mandate has been reviewed to include a commercialization of its services and products. Over the years, the Council has successfully fulfilled its mandate through the activities of its 13 institutes. The CSIR's problem-solving approach to research has led to the finding of solutions to a number of problems in areas including agriculture, environment, and the sourcing and supply of drinking water. The Council's work has also yielded positive results in the building and roads sector, among many others. In pursuing its set objectives and goals, the CSIR adopts a highly focused approach. Research in specific areas are undertaken by specialized centers, institutes, and projects under 6 broad categories, namely agriculture, forestry and fishing, industry and natural science, social sciences, health and medicine, and environment.
Mushroom farming has become business. It requires adherence to procedures and processes. Mushrooms grow very fast.
When it comes to spawn preparation, you have to have a microbiology background, so we reserve those for a definite group of people. But for just the knowledge on how to cultivate mushrooms, you can contact us anytime. We organize training programs twice a year. We have a 2-day introductory course where we take you through the life cycle of mushrooms and then nutritional and medicinal properties, and then a few practical sections here and there. And we have a 5-day training program that is more of a practical course where you go through the bag preparation. So we encourage you to come to us at any time during the day from Monday to Friday, and we are there to assist you.